What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Larry Snow, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look in the new and improved Mailchimp email builder. And it's coming up next. So the new email builder that Mailchimp is slowly rolling out is in beta format, so you can opt in at this point or you can opt out. It's up to you. So you can go in and try it, mess around with it, and then come back and then go back to the classic builder. So let's go take a look at the beta version of the Mailchimp email builder. I've gotten started here with a campaign draft, an email campaign draft. To view the beta version of the email builder, you go down here and you go to your content. I'm going to skip all this part because it's not relevant to what we're showing here today. You go down to your content, you click on design email, and you have a choice. Now, some of you might already selected classic builder, and some of you might already selected new builder. So what we're going to do is click on new builder. Also note that some of the features that you have in classic are not available in the beta. Now in the beta version, you see right here, it says go back to the classic builder. So you have that option right there. Then down below here, you have templates that you can pick, the ones that Mailchimp has brought in already. So we have simple, looks like a photo one, natural, minimal, bold. So we're going to keep with the basic here. So if you're coming from the classic builder and you're looking at this for the first time, you're like, what the heck am I doing? There's no blocks, there's no nothing. How do I edit this stuff? Well, you can edit the existing blocks that are here. So if you click on the view this email in your browser, you have the option to change it from a paragraph to a heading. You have the bold, italics, all the stuff that you normally would in a word processing environment. For instance, you can also add in your merge tags right here as well. So that's for the paragraph. And you can also change your font and your type size over here on the left side. Logo, you can drag and make this bigger or smaller if you want. To replace it over on the left side, you click replace, takes you to your content studio. You select your logo, you click insert, and then you can reduce it down. Something like that. And again, we have another paragraph, and a photo. So if you click on the photo, on the left-hand side, it will give you the information to change the alignment, what you want to link it to, replace the image, all that good stuff. So still, we're not seeing any blocks yet. So we can edit the stuff that's already existing in the template, but there's nothing here that suggests where the heck are the blocks. To get the blocks that we're all fond of is to click the plus button in any of these areas. So in each one of these current blocks here, we have a plus button. So let's go up the top and click on plus. Here are the current blocks available in the beta: paragraph, image, button, divider, space, social, and video. So we can go to the video tab. We can put in the source. So let's go back. A couple of other options that you have to point out. If I click in the white space here, you have two options to change the color. One's called canvas, one's called backdrop, and they're both highlighted when you hover over them, which section is which. And you can choose what the colors are already here, or you can create your own. So let's click a lovely gray. Let's go back. And in the backdrop, we'll do a lovely blue, just to see the difference. Also on the top here, next to the preview button, they also have a undo and redo button, and it automatically saves your changes. Now the other thing that the classic builder had, and I'm not sure if they're going to be bringing it into this new version, is the ability to have overall settings for your email. Over on the classic settings at the very top, you would have settings, and that would give you the header, the body, the footer. Like you could change all of that. You could change the font, and it would change the entire email completely. It wouldn't just change one little thing. Well, here there is no setting like that. I'm not sure if they'll bring over that overall email setting feature. For now, you can still edit, but it's on a block by block basis. So for instance, if you wanted to click in this heading here, to heading 1, but we can change the type size here by just dragging it up to make it bigger, or dragging it down. You can change the font here, change the text colors, links, and the block background. So let's make it a lovely blue. There you go. So just keep that in mind that there is no overall settings as of yet. They do have the preview option here, and you can do the enable merge tag info for your recipients and all that stuff. You also have the mobile version here. So overall, I think it's off to a good start. It'd be nice to have those other features, and hopefully they'll be adding them back in. If you're a Mailchimp user, then you know that Mailchimp is going through a lot of changes recently, and this is just one more thing. I, for one, am happy to see this change. Again, I thought that that whole layout was a little cumbersome. This is a new modern interface, if you will, and yeah, it's going to take some getting used to. You will have the opportunity to keep the classic builder for the foreseeable future, so that's always a good thing. So if you're a Mailchimp user, post in the comments below if you've tried the new email builder. It'd be interesting to hear your thoughts on it. I mean, and if you think about it, this is the way a lot of websites are doing the editor these days. I think Medium and LinkedIn articles, if you click inside a box area or paragraph, you get these pop-up options like that. And in WordPress, with the Gutenberg editor now, you have these little plus buttons. So there is some familiarity with it from me, but I'm interested to hear what you think. And hopefully they'll be adding more features soon so we can check them out when they come in. Thanks so much for watching the video. I appreciate it. And if you have any general questions about Mailchimp, post them in the comments below. And if you're new here and you're enjoying this type of content, make sure to click that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified when a new video goes up on the channel. Thanks, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.